Oh boy. Oh, I'm gonna suck dick at this game. I'm gonna get scared shitless. Oh no. I even got scared shitless watching people play this. I'm not looking forward to it. Thank you, Evan, for getting me this. I just realized what's getting down in this. And I'm still not. I can't. Oh, man.
Isaac, are you there? Come in, Isaac. Oh, God. I'm so sorry, Isaac. Look at the time difference. I'll call you back later.
It's okay. How you doing?
Good. You're right, Isaac. The Ishimar is a great ship. I am so lucky to be serving aboard her.
Enjoy it while it lasts. You know they're gonna decommission her next year.
Isaac, thank you.
For what?
For just pushing me to do this. I mean, if it weren't for you, I never would have made it this far, because you made me stick with it.
Well, just remember, I'm giving you up for 6 months so you can do this.
You know what? We must be getting on a range there tonight. Isaac.
Isaac! You were drifting away for a moment there, Mr. Clark. I believe you were telling me about your nightmares that you've been having. About your dead girlfriend. What was her name?
Nicole.
I didn't want it to end like this. I really wanted to see you again. Just once. I loved you. I always loved you.
Yes. Nicole Brennan. She was a senior medical officer stationed aboard a Planet Cracker-class vessel.
The Ishimura.
USG Ishimura, yes. Part of a mining operation on Aegis 7. I understand communications went down shortly after their arrival. You were part of the repair mission. A mission for which you volunteered, am I right? What did you find aboard that ship, Isaac?
They found something.
What did they find aboard the ship, Isaac?
The marker.
Did you have contact with this marker? It made you see things, didn't it? Things you didn't want to see.
It spoke to me.
What did it say, Isaac? What did it say to you, Isaac? Isaac, can you hear me?
Isaac, can you hear me? Dana, I found Isaac Clark. Repeat, I have him.
Great work, Franco. Be careful. He's been out a long time.
Good. Steady. We gotta get you out of this straitjacket. Where am I? Alright, I know you're confused right now. I can explain everything, but you gotta trust me, okay? Listen, you're in terrible danger.
No, I think you're in danger. And now, you're gonna try and kill me. You douchebag.
Franco? Franco, what happened? Oh, God. Isaac! Isaac Clark, if you can hear me, run!
Oh, fuck. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, God. Oh, excuse me? Health? Someone? Can I save it this real quick? Because I have a feeling shit's about to go down. I completely forgot all about this game. I thought this was the multiplayer one where we're like, oh shit, our girlfriend's trapped on a ship going to the marker home world. But no, that's number 3. And I didn't know there was a 3rd. And I thought this was multiplayer. But apparently not. Shit! What? Why do you want to kill me? Why don't you want to help me? Fuck. Get the fuck away from me, boy.
Now. My eye's looking much better today, yes, don't you think? It hurts. It still hurts? Yes, I'll schedule you for another session tomorrow. No, I don't think I'm ready. I don't think I can take another session out. There. First thing tomorrow. Now let's talk about what you saw today. Come on, Strauss. I'm here to help you.
No, you're not.
It was black. Deep black and glowing red with symbols. Symbols whispered to me. And what did the symbols whisper to you? Come on, Strauss. What? It was just short. It was just short, but it put so much stuff in my head, so much shit in my head. There's no more room for anything.
Make us whole again.
I can't remember what he looks like. I can't remember. The symbols, Strauss. What did the symbols tell you? They told me that it wasn't my fault. I didn't kill him. They didn't deserve this, and I didn't deserve this. Fucker. Put Mr. Strauss back in stasis, adjust his medication up 30 milligrams, and we'll try another session first thing in the morning.
That is a douchebag.
Subject is Nolan Strauss, session 158. Now.
Oh, it's just a repeat. Sorry to make you sit through that. Just trying to play the time, because Oh god, I hate these types of games. I hate horror games in general. I never do well in them. I always choke and just leave them.
Come on, man. Station 4. I remember you. Time said our key subject need to be eliminated, terminated.
Come on, man.
There's one more. Listen to me, man. What matters? Listen to me. We can both get out of here. Just cut me out of this straitjacket. No one's getting out of here alive. Don't do it.
Thanks, man. You're crazy.
There's no escaping from what I've done. Take it easy, buddy. Just take it easy. Your rig is red. It's red. There's a health pack and a flashlight in that wall locker. You should grab them.
Thanks.
Go ahead. Take it.
You are one crazy son of a bitch.
Isaac, we're all gonna burn for what we did to you.
No, 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 no! Oh, God! You're one crazy son of a bitch. Oh, shit.
Clark. Isaac Clark, is that you?
Who are you? My name is Dana. I'm the one trying to rescue you.
Why? What's going on?
You're suffering from a unique form of dementia, Isaac. Something you contracted on Aegis 7.
How do you know that? How do you know all this about me?
Your dementia will kill you. But if you can get here, I can treat you and get you to safety.
Why should I trust you?
Because I'm not the one shooting at you.
Fuck.
Just follow the route I'm sending you.
How do I look at said route? Q, G, F, middle click. Oh, fuck you. Oh, fuck you, mate. Okay, controls. F. No. Okay. That's gonna get hotkeyed real quickly. What? Excuse me? You're a douchebag then. Is anything cute? So it has to be B. You guys suck. Fuck you too, then. Can I quickly say fuck you? Seriously, this game. I hate horrors. Oh, one headphone piece is coming off. Fuck you, damn it! I hate horror games, I hate you. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. Fucking hate you. Nope. This is 15 minutes yet? This is 15 minutes, I'm out. I'm fucking out. I can't, I hate horror games, I fucking hate the ambiance. Right before they fucking jump you. Oh, God. "12 minutes and 39 seconds. For the sake of upload time, I think I'm gonna end it here, and I'm not joking. Oh god, okay, let's just do an outro. Okay, if it's not nighttime, it's not 10:30 at night, I'll play this. I'll play it during the day. Probably because Evan also got this game, so I'll play it right next to him. In the same Discord chat. But fuck this ambiance for now. I'm out. And I hear shit walking around, so I'm gonna end it real quick. I'm just gonna Alt F4 this shit, so goodbye.